I'm just so disappointed knowing na marami pala mga South Koreans na ang tingin sa mga Pinoy ay
Do you ever wonder why Koreans hate foreigners? Especially Filipinos.
hindi pala pasok sa standard ang itsura ng mga Pinoy sa mga South Koreans. Especially this Korean guy na hate niyang napagkakamalan siyang isang Pilipino.
He looks Filipino more than he could ever look Korean.
Y'all curate your media so much to the point that it's not even an accurate representation of how your people look.
Just because you're Korean does not make you BTS and does not make you Blackpink. Like, keep that in mind, please.
One, that's crazy that you're racist against Filipinos. Two, you're terrible at corn.
We got the darker skin, the bigger eyes, the flatter nose, the bigger lips. These are natural, honey. These are loud.
Just to make it clear, I'm not generalizing all Koreans. Nakaka-disappoint lang no kasi ang dahil mga Pinoy ang sumusuporta sa mga Korean movies,